Good morning all, hope you're doing well. Sorry it's a little bit late, I had quite a lot of questions that I'm just responding to, so apologies for that. It should have been done a little bit earlier. So the S&P, the daily view, you can see we're quite strong above our level. That's the level of note. And we did that naughty behaviour below. And of course, we had that candle which convinced me that we were quite bearish. And it's a gravestone doji candle, which is really naughty on the daily time frame. And then we pumped. So that was quite a naughty. That happened on a Wednesday. This was quite tricky. See how we'd actually managed to close below our level as well. So looking at the technicals, it could have caught you quite strongly, and up we come. So they sold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And so that's that. So that's the overview, how we're looking at the snapshots. You know, green is buy, red is sell. Hopefully you understand that. It's like the basic stuff. So they've gone long. Some resistance here, as you can see. So they might sell it, which is quite common. They probably will sell it. And if we do, then we'll break that box. But we can create one here. See how they've gone long? So 4144. All depends what they do here. But I think they're probably going to sell it, aren't they? DAX, Dow. They've gone long quite strongly. So we know we can fall. And we've got a very thin resistance overhead. So you can see how they've gone long. Right, so normally we should fall if they buy. DAX, they shorted it, so you know, by selling it, we can come up. See how they shorted all this time, and they've done it again. So I would be really careful with this one, though. To be honest with you, just really tricky. Technically, we could definitely do with a retrace, and they've gone long up here. So, you know, we've got some resistance. We created a zone here. Maybe we can draw that so you can see what I mean. They've gone along here, right? So this one here, like we've got a zone basically. So we might come up and challenge that. If they continue to short it, then yeah, sure, this will probably break. Okay. Gold, well, they sold it. So, you know, this is going to be a support, but they've gone long. They went long. They shorted it here, but so we've got some formidable resistance overhead, but we have got some support just below 1875 level. If we go below that, that's completely invalidate that box. Euro, have a quick look. So you know they went long here, 101, 1.101. They went long, and they got really punished really badly, and they went long again. That moved. Dollar yen. We've got some Bank of Japan governor news out at the moment, so we've got to be careful of cross yen. We've got the pound yen today. I don't know if that's going to be a good trade or not. We've recorded it on the sheet, so if it goes well, that's great. If it goes poorly, that's fine. But I'm not going to take that particular trade because I've got to be careful with the yen, and also I don't like trading the pound. It's quite horrible sometimes. It can be okay if you're selling it, but I don't really like to buy it. It's just it's not really my favourite currency pair, so I'm avoiding that trade of the day today. And they've gone long, so you know that we can fall. So we should be breaking 131.57, and that's just a quick wrap up. So remember, the very simple thing is that red is sell and green is buy. Okay, and hopefully you understand that. If you struggle with that, then I don't know if I can help you. You might be beyond my help. But yeah, basically it's quite simple. If it goes, the number increases or decreases, it confirms that idea. So if we go to 1.04, it's a stronger sell. 1.05 is stronger. 1.1 is even stronger. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it comes this way, it's going to be a buy. And that's it. It's quite simple. Patreon video now, and then I'm going to have a look at the charts and see what's cooking. I'll speak to you guys soon.